Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful woolen chandelier which looks more beautiful at night. To prepare this, I need 5 white wools. I am using middle ring of 3 embroidery hook. I am using 8 cm card to get proper measurement. I am covering the card by wool for 25 times. One side I will make a knot and another side cut by scissors. I am tying it with the wool to make a design. By following the same process, I have prepared 70 strips. I am covering the ring by white wool. I am arranging the strips. Now I am using 33 pieces for big ring, 22 pieces for medium ring and 15 pieces for small ring. After fixing all the strips, I am putting medium one on the small ring. I will tie the ring like a triangle. Now I am tying the big ring with the medium one. Then I am making 4 knots to hang in. Then I am ready with my beautiful woolen chandelier. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos.